In this video, I'm going to show you how to view archived chats on WhatsApp, okay? If you are a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp. As you can see here, I have archived all my chats on WhatsApp. I cannot see any chat here. But what do we want to do here? We want to view the chat that I've just archived. Now, if you look at the top, there's this button for archive. Click on that button. When you tap on that button like this, you will see all the chats that you archived, okay? Now that is how you can view all the archived charts. You can just click on them, then view the charts. Now from here, you can choose whether you want to unarchive a chart or you want to ensure that it remains unarchived for the longest period possible. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any update when we upload a new video, because in this channel we are focusing on delivering value without wasting the time of our viewers. Thank you.